Not long ago, we had the honor of participating in the AMPCon event led by the motivational writer and speaker Renee Rodriguez. We often discuss transformative strategies, but this occasion genuinely revolutionized my approach to real estate. The impact of Rodriguez's conference on both our personal and professional development was profound and lasting. This gathering was more than a real estate seminar. It delved into aspects of life, interpersonal connections, and personal enhancement. I am deeply thankful to Rodriguez and the other outstanding presenters for putting together such a meaningful event and imparting their priceless wisdom and experiences. We firmly believe that this journey will redefine our self-perception, our presentation, and our communication, ultimately enhancing my ability to be more impactful in the lives of those around me. We aim to delve into the core lessons learned from the AMPCon event and examine their potential influence on your personal and professional life. Before we continue, if you're finding value in this discussion and wish to stay updated with more insights like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss out on any upcoming videos that can enrich your understanding and skills. 1. Build your life by design, not by circumstance. Instead of merely responding to situations, accomplished real estate professionals ought to possess a distinct vision and a meticulously crafted strategy. This involves establishing concrete objectives, formulating a business plan, and nurturing an attitude geared towards continual development. Individuals who architect their lives are generally more methodical in their real estate ventures, market evaluations, and in managing their business operations and networking endeavors. These are the people who don't rely on luck for their success, but rather diligently pursue their ambitions daily. 2. Train like a professional, with intensity, practice, and a commitment to growth. The realm of real estate is constantly transforming, marked by shifts in market trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. To thrive in this sector, perpetual education is vital. Real estate experts need to dedicate time and energy to enhancing their expertise and understanding. Participating in training sessions, attending workshops, and pursuing opportunities for professional growth are imperative. Adapting to technological innovations and keeping abreast of the most recent market and industry developments are key factors that distinguish a genuine professional. 3. Our brain rewards us for staying in our comfort zone. Complacency hinders advancement. True growth and achievement are found beyond the boundaries of comfort. In the fiercely competitive world of real estate, accepting challenges, engaging in thoughtful risk-taking, and seizing opportunities that appear intimidating can result in significant gains. Cultivating resilience and an attitude focused on growth can motivate us to venture into new markets, experiment with creative marketing approaches, and broaden our service offerings, leading to enhanced success in the long run. 4. In life, some things require therapy, some need a support system, and others demand a decision. Life experiences, both in our personal and professional spheres, can at times act as obstacles in our journey towards inner serenity and joy. Let's examine how this is relevant and the ways to effectively conclude chapters that might be restricting your progress. Therapy. Issues like past traumas, unresolved feelings, or mental challenges could be influencing your overall wellness. Opting for therapy is a proactive measure to tackle these problems. Qualified therapists can assist you in managing complex emotions, healing from previous traumas, and offering strategies for improved mental and emotional health. Support system. Handling sorrow, significant life changes, or tough choices necessitates the strength and help of a support network. This may encompass friends, family, or a supportive community. Sharing your thoughts and experiences with people you trust can offer emotional relief, advice, and a sense of belonging. Cultivating such a support network is crucial for overcoming life's hurdles and sustaining emotional health. Decision-making. Life-changing decisions, be it leaving a harmful relationship, switching professions, or starting a new chapter, are critical for personal development. Making well-considered choices often requires introspection, aligning with your values, and consulting with reliable advisors. Life decisions demand thoughtful deliberation and sometimes mean parting with the past to welcome a more promising future. Recognizing the life events that are impeding your path to tranquility and happiness is vital. Once identified, it's essential to act accordingly, whether it involves seeking therapy, relying on your support circle, or making the challenging decision to end that chapter. In doing so, you enable yourself to heal emotional scars, discover relief, and advance toward a renewed sense of peace and contentment. 5. People reveal their true value through what they talk about most. The subjects people choose to emphasize in their dialogues mirror their principles and priorities. When interacting with clients, colleagues, and partners, concentrate on substantial and pertinent issues. Aligning your discussions with the needs of your clients and insights into the market helps establish trust and showcases your expertise, consequently improving your professional standing and strengthening client connections. 6. People often take advantage of what's free. In personal connections, indiscriminately giving our time and emotional support can create imbalanced relationships where one party contributes more than they receive. It's crucial to establish healthy limits and judiciously manage your resources to foster mutually beneficial relationships. While information and guidance are widely accessible, not everything may be pertinent or beneficial to our specific situations. Acknowledging that free resources may not always correspond with our objectives or principles helps us to be more selective, prioritizing quality over abundance. Appreciate the value of your contributions and be thoughtful in how you distribute your resources, be it time, knowledge, or expertise. Striking a balance between generosity and wise judgment is key in both our professional pursuits and in achieving a rewarding and successful life overall. As we wrap up our exploration of these essential strategies for excelling in real estate, remember that knowledge and application go hand in hand. Implementing these insights will undoubtedly set you on a path to success in this dynamic industry. Now, if you're pondering the optimal timing for property transactions, our next video delves into the critical topic of when to sell real estate. This is a natural progression from what we've discussed today, as understanding the right moment to make your move in the market is just as crucial as the strategies we've covered. Click on the video appearing on your screen to gain valuable insights that could significantly influence your real estate decisions. Let's continue this journey together, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed and successful real estate choices.